What's up, guys? It's Watermelon here.
Kill yourself, noob! No one likes clickbait! You just can't stop!
Well, you are extremely rude. Anyway, though, today I'm here to moan about DEVIANT ART with Chloe the Cat 123. What will they speak? Make a noise. So, let's go and look at some stuff!
We're probably gonna start off with Gwen, definitely.
What? That is like the cheapest thing.
That's easy to make.
Like, oh my goodness. So far this is going terribly. Oh well. I'm sure that was just a tiny little part. I'm sure that was just
Sure.
sure that was just one tiny bad part. I'm sure there's a ton better.
No.
What?
Green is my favorite color.
What? What?
It's my favorite color.
What? I can't do it. DeviantArt, I'm sorry, but I'm alive now.
I bring it back to life.
Anyway, there are some great things on DeviantArt, but
The terrible cringe!
everywhere.
Like, on every site. Like,
Entirely, like, it's
Google
almost
images.
entirely just bad Sonic fan fictions.